Sociological anthropological research in Nepal. The history of Nepali sociological and anthropological research in Nepal is not old. The years of 1950s are called the landmark period, for after that period, trained researchers began to come to Nepal for the research. Before the period of 1950, many foreign researchers had come, but they were not trained researchers. Father Giuseppe de Rovatos was the first European to do work on Nepal, and later his article was translated by Sir John Soar as an account of the Kingdom of Nepal in 1790 AD. Colonel Kirkpatrick was also another European to write book on Nepal. After him, so many foreigners as well as Nepalese scholars wrote about Nepal. However, all these work were not the scientific researches but only the descriptive studies. After the political change in 1950, the door of Nepal was quite opened for researchers. According to Bhattachan, anthropological, more specifically ethnological research in Nepal was initiated by the British and the Japanese anthropologists, namely Christoph von Führer-Hammendorff, Jiro Kawakita, and Shigeru Haijima in the early 1950s. Christoph von Führer-Hammendorff was initially drawn to study the Sherpas of eastern Nepal. Dor Bahadur Bista got the opportunity to work with him, and he learned anthropology in master-apprentice mode in the close companionship of Hammendorff, although he is not a trained anthropologist. After the period of 1950s, Nepal proved to be the fertile ground or guinea pig for the sociological and anthropological studies. Nepali origin sociologist Gopal Singh Nepali did his PhD in sociology from the University of Bombay in 1959. He studied the socio-ethnological study of the Newars in Kirtipur. He was the first trained anthropologist in Nepal. As there was no opportunity to teach or research in Nepal, he went to India and spent most of his life teaching in India. Bhattachan was also a student of him. After return to Nepal, he was associated with the Central Department of Sociology and Anthropology at Tribhuvan University. Muhammad Mohsin was also a scholar who did PhD in sociology but did nothing because of his political life. In mid-70s, sociologist David Seddon, along with Peter Blackie and John Cameron, came to Nepal to study, and later they published a book, Nepal in Crisis, Growth and Stagnation at the Periphery. Dr. Chaitanya Mishra was the second Nepali who was fortunate to get Fulbright Hays scholarship to pursue a doctoral degree program in sociology and earned his PhD in sociology in USA in 1978. During that time, Tribhuvan University decided to establish a department of sociology and anthropology, but there were lack of teachers to teach sociology and anthropology. So it awarded faculty development scholarship to 5 undergraduate students to pursue graduate study in anthropology, including Mr. Bhattacharya. Dor Bahadur Bista was also the prominent anthropologist who wrote the book The People of Nepal. He is also known as the father of Nepalese anthropology. In 1970, CNAS was established to give MA degree. In 1974, Ernest Gellner was invited and he recommended the sociological anthropological research in Nepal. In 1981, the Central Department of Sociology and Anthropology was founded to give master degree. In 1985, bachelor degree was offered by TU in Pokhara. Professor Dilliram Dahal, a prominent Nepalese anthropologist, has divided the types of researches conducted in anthropology, sociology over the last 2 centuries into 3 time periods. A. First, period between 1811 to 1950. 2. Period between 1951 to 1990. Third, period onwards 1991. There were no institutions except TU to do research, but nowadays there are few NGOs and INGOs who do research. But there is not any institute that studies about sociology and anthropology. Now they are proposing Social Science Research Council. Around 32 colleges offer master degree in sociology and many colleges offer bachelor in sociology anthropology. There is no doubt that sociology has a bright future in Nepal.